Ever wanted to make your Canva presentation interactive? Now you can with a Jotform AI Chatbot. Transform basic presentations into interactive experiences where viewers can ask questions, get instant answers, and stay engaged the whole time. I'll show you how to create and add a Jotform AI Chatbot to your Canva presentation. Let's go. So from your Canva design, just go to Apps here on the left side. And if you've already installed the Jotform AI Chatbot app, you can find it here under your apps and just click that. If you haven't installed it yet, just go on the Discover page here and you can search for Jotform. And there's the regular Jotform app and the Jotform AI Chatbot app, which is the one that we want this time. So just click that. And mine opens right away because I've already connected it to my Jotform account. If it's your first time installing it, it will just ask you to connect it to your Jotform account. So you can use any of your existing Jotform AI chatbots with any Canva design, but if you want to create a new one, you can do that right from Canva. At the bottom, just click Create New AI Chatbot here, this button. And now it will evaluate the design that's open. So it's learning the material, it says processing the content. The chatbot is being trained on this presentation I have open here. And it just takes a minute. So you can customize the basic look and feel, including colors and name and everything like that here. If you want to change any advanced settings for your Jotform AI chatbot, like the tone, language, response length, things like that, you can click Advanced Settings here and it'll take you over to your Jotform account dashboard where you can go into that chatbot and make all those changes that you want. But for this within the Canva design, it's pretty simple. So when you've done changing the things that you want, just hit Save Changes here at the bottom. Then you can just click and drag the chatbot anywhere that you want it to appear in your design. So I'm just going to click and drag it to the, say the right side. You can put it literally wherever you want. You could be in the middle if you want to. But I'm just gonna put it here at kind of the bottom right, which is where a lot of people expect chatbots to be. There we go. I'll show you how it works in a moment. But one other important thing to note is that you have to add your chatbot on any pages that you want it to appear on. So I've added it to just this title page right now, which means that it won't appear on these subsequent pages unless I add it to it. This is really great for flexibility because you can decide when and where you want your chatbot to appear in a presentation or slide deck so that it's not distracting from the pages that you want people to really read, but it's also helpful on the pages that you either want to capture a lead or be able to offer some support and direct engagement. A super quick way of adding it to all the pages that you want it to be on is just to duplicate it and drag it onto those pages. So here I have it selected and I'm going to hit the duplicate icon here at the top there, and then I'm just going to drag that new duplicated version of it. I'm going to click and I'm going to drag that down to slide 2. I'm just going to do that for any of the pages that I want it to appear on. I'm going to duplicate, wait for it to duplicate, drag it to the next slide, and so on. So this means that the person viewing this presentation can interact with the chatbot on any of these 4 pages, but not the next 6 pages. If I wanted them to be able to chat with it on all the pages, I could just add that to all the pages. So now I'll show you what that looks like in the actual presentation. All right, now I'm viewing this as a public link. So this is how someone that you're sending this to would be viewing it, and they can see the presentation here and then our chatbot here on the right. And let's just say either I don't want to read the whole thing or I just want to get, some quick answers. I can ask our chatbot here. So I can click here in the message box and say, how can our company stand out against the competition? This is something that the presentation covers here, and the chatbot will answer based on what it's learned from reading the presentation. So it says here, to stand out against the competition, focus on delivering unique value through deep market insights, so on, so on, so on. Adding a Jotform AI chatbot is a great way to add more engagement to your presentations and also to collect leads and valuable information. So all of these conversations that people have with the chatbot in your presentation are saved under conversations in your Jotform account. So you can see what people are asking, what people want to know, and all the different things that branch off from that they're asking the chatbot about. So that's how to add a Jotform AI chatbot directly from a Canva design. If you have any questions about that or Jotform AI chatbots, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more awesome tips. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.